Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use your GoPro Hero 11 as a webcam. First, let's go ahead and download the GoPro Webcam Utility. Google GoPro Webcam and it should be in the first list. Go ahead and click the link and click on download and get started for PC Windows users. Next, go ahead and click on GoPro Webcam Desktop Utility. Next, click on download button and save your file to your preferred location. My example, I'm going to be saving it to my desktop. Next, double click the setup file and follow the instructions. As of this date, since GoPro Hero 11 is new, there was a known issue that it is not recognized via USB connection after the first update. Currently, your computer doesn't recognize your GoPro that it is connected. So GoPro has a temporary workaround to do a connections reset in your GoPro settings. So let's do this in our next step. So let's go to Preferences, select Wireless Connection, scroll down and select Reset Connections. It should be at the very bottom. Tap Reset Connection and hit Reset. Now that your connections are reset, let's go ahead and connect the GoPro. Next, use the supplied USB by GoPro and connect it to your PC. Next, let's turn on the GoPro. Next, let's go ahead and open up the GoPro Webcam Utility. Once you're connected, you should see a GoPro icon with a blue dot at the bottom right corner of your screen. That means that your connection is successful. You can also click on the preview to view the field of view of your GoPro. If you click on the icon, you should be able to change how wide your field of view using the lens options. If you click on the lens mode, you should be able to change to super view, wide, linear, or narrow. Now let's go ahead and test it for Skype. So in Skype, in audio and video settings, under camera dropdown, just choose GoPro Webcam. Now let's go ahead and test it for Zoom application. For Zoom application, go to your settings, click on video, then under camera dropdown, select GoPro Webcam. That's all you need to set it as your camera. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that thanks button to support my channel. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.